YouTube? So today we're back in Roblox Studio. It's been a long time ever since I used Roblox Studio, and I hope you guys missed this playlist. So yeah, we're going to. I'm not sure how to call it, but I'm just going to call it a username board. You can actually put anything you want to, like a menu. But so yeah, first you gotta insert a part, obviously. Then you gotta anchor it. If you want to stay in one place, you can scale it like this. Just make it however big you want. If you want to add like a frame to it, like feel free to do it. I'm doing a frame right now. So yeah. Let's make this a different. Wait, let's do the colors later. We're gonna. Yeah, this is looking good so far. This tutorial just jumped right in. Okay, so now we gotta duplicate this. Yeah, make it line it up with the edges. It's turning nighttime. Okay, so let's see this. Okay, perfect. It fits right in. Why is it turning nighttime? We gotta add a light. So I have this plugin I installed. For some reason they rigged that plugin, so now it doesn't work. And even though I disabled the plugin, it still goes like around and around. So don't get that plugin. So okay, so let's get to business now. You insert. So go to screen you want to. Insert an object. It's called Service GUI. So you don't know where the front or back is because the Service GUI is invisible. So you gotta add you gotta add a frame first. Let's see. Yeah. So as you can see, there's like this frame over here. So to make it full, you gotta change the size to 1 and 1. I learned that from a different video. Okay, so now you gotta change this to the place you want to. So in this case, it's the back. And now, if you want to add like a text button, whatever. Right now, we're gonna do a scrolling frame. So now the scrolling frame is right here. So I'm not sure what the point of the frame here is for. So let's just insert a scrolling frame right away. That was my fault. Sorry. Okay. So let's make this full screen for now. I'm not good at the size or the UI and all that kind of stuff, so don't mind me. Okay. So now I think this is the y-axis. Yeah. Okay, so let's see how this works. Okay, so to be honest, I'm not good at this, so it's trial and error. So yeah, if you already know how to do this, just feel free to skip the video. So yeah, we're just gonna do this for now. Okay, so is this the top axis? I think it's the top axis. So let's put this to 5. I don't know why it does that. Okay, so we're gonna add some. When you scroll down with this, like up and down, you gotta see some stuff in it. So let's add some text label. So as you can see, the label's right here, and the label is being owned by the scrolling frame. So okay, so let's see if this works. So this is the y-axis. I just learned that right now. Okay, let's change back to 50 or something. Okay, and then let's change this to 700. Oh, it's too far. 500 maybe? Oh, 500 fits perfectly. Okay. So now, be like a, if you want it to be like a certain size, you could like do that if you want to, like 20 or something. But if you scale the text, it makes the text like get scaled inside of it automatically. So like, yeah. To be honest, my favorite font is Gotham semi-bold, like this, yeah. And then you got, if you want to add some stroke texture to it, then that's totally fine for me. The text color can be like white, so the stroke, yeah, it looks pretty cool that way. So now, let's add like anything on it. So, yeah, I'm just gonna put in my username and my friend's username and all that kind of stuff. So, you can see, as you can see on my, as you can see, my username is on here. So let's duplicate this. If you, you can actually put anything inside of here and it scrolls up and down and stuff. Now let's change this to, let's say Epic Mister. That's my friend. That's my friend. That's my friend's username. So I totally forgot, you gotta make the background transparency to 1. So yeah, now you can see this transparency, and then the size doesn't matter. The position matters. So this is the y-axis. Let's try 7. That's okay. So let's try 60 maybe. Yeah, 60 works good. It always works good for me for some reason. So now just keep on doing it. If you want to, like, you can even write a document if you want to. So duplicate and then take it down 60. Yeah. You gotta add 60 to this each time. So now it's 120. And then let's make this a little big, like maybe 80. Like no. Okay. We're gonna make this a little more thicker. Like a little more high. So we're gonna do it to 500 maybe. Yeah, 500. So now it goes all the way down like this. And let's add some text to it if you want to. Like vertical Roblox safe game, but it still has like scams avoid at all times. Yeah, I made a video about that once. So, yeah. Let's like disable this. Actually, no, we could keep that. So yeah, this is a very strange message. So now when we play it, you'll be able to like scroll up and down. For some reason, whenever I play, like whenever I test the game, it goes really slow. So don't mind that either. Okay, it's loading in. If it does this to you too, then comment below. So you can like scroll up and down like this. So there should be a scroll over here, but it doesn't show for some reason. Yeah, like this. You can like use this sidebar over here. It works pretty good. So yeah. Okay. So now let's add some good stuff to it, like decoration. So so let's add this background transparency to 1. So now you can see in the back. Oh, now you can see the okay. So it's white, as you can see. Use this to scroll up and down, and then you could like make this granite if you want to. Yeah, you can make this granite. So yeah, concrete or cobblestone. Cobblestone looks pretty good. Okay, so on the sides you can like do concrete if you want. Yeah, it goes up and down like this. So actually looks pretty cool. So, let's add like a wall to make it like look like it's like a message. Brick. And then, wait, that's not the right color. Let's make it brown, like that. Perfect. Okay. Let's make this long brick over here. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Let's not make the wall actually. We could just do this if you want to. Yeah. Move this a little thinner. And yeah, you gotta anchor it. And you can group the whole thing if you want to. And then message or sign. Slash sign. Yeah. So when you play, you can just like run right into it, and yeah. And it's like some person going up, and it's like, oh my god, there's like a scam up here. It's like when you go up, it's like free Robux. I want to check that, and then it just runs into this thing, and it's like Roblox is a safe game, but it still has scams and avoid at all times. And it's like, oh my goodness, it's a scam. It's a scam. So yeah, this is just an example. This could be really helpful sometimes. Like if somebody wants to teleport to a game, you can make like a billboard like this, and then add like a button, so it can like teleport to you. Then it can teleport to the game you want it to. So yeah, I'm gonna make a video on teleporting to games later. So I'm gonna try to find the script for it. So yeah, so hope this video helps a lot. People don't seem to find these like videos pretty helpful. So yeah, hope this video helped. If you want more content, then remember to like and subscribe. This new Studio Decor is out.